How to fix messages not sending on iPhone. Whether it's an iMessage or a regular SMS, here are several fixes you can try. First, check your internet or cellular connection. Make sure airplane mode is turned off and that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Then try sending the message again. If it still doesn't send, force close the Messages app and reopen it. Next, refresh your network by opening Control Center, turning airplane mode on for a few seconds, and then turning it back off. Now, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Messages and make sure iMessage is turned on. If it's already enabled, try turning it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back off. If the problem continues, go back to Main Settings page. Tap on General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. This removes saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN settings, but won't delete your personal data. You should also check for an iOS update by going back to Main Settings, tap on General, then tap on Software Update and install any available updates. Finally, restart your iPhone and try sending the message again. If you're sending a regular SMS, make sure your carrier plan supports text messaging. If you're sending an iMessage, verify that the recipient also has iMessage enabled, or send it as an SMS if needed. That's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.